Hello everyone, welcome to our video on link building strategies, how to earn quality backlinks. Link building is a crucial aspect of SEO that involves acquiring high-quality backlinks from other reputable websites. These links signal to search engines that your content is trustworthy and valuable, which can significantly improve your website's visibility and ranking. In this video, we'll explore effective link building strategies that will help you earn quality backlinks and boost your online presence. What is link building? Link building is the process of getting other websites to link to your page. It's essential for SEO because these links help your pages rank higher in search results and drive referral traffic to your site. A good link building strategy should focus on acquiring links from authoritative and relevant sources. Why is link building important? Link building is important because it enhances your website's authority and trustworthiness in the eyes of search engines. By earning links from reputable sites, you signal that your content is valuable and worthy of citation, which can improve your search engine rankings and drive more traffic to your site. Link building strategies for earning quality backlinks. 1. Add value to other sites' articles. One effective strategy is to add value to existing articles on other websites. Look for content where your link could enhance the user experience. This might include business roundups, how-to guides, or resource pages. Reach out to the content creators with a proposal to include your link, explaining how it adds value to their content. 2. Find broken backlinks and suggest replacements. Identify broken links on other websites and offer to replace them with a working link to a similar resource on your site. This not only helps the website owner by fixing a broken link, but also earns you a backlink. 3. Respond to media requests. Platforms like Connectively, formerly Haro, allow you to respond to media requests from journalists and bloggers. By providing valuable insights or resources, you can get featured in high-quality publications and earn backlinks. 4. Use digital PR to grab journalists' attention. Develop a compelling story related to your brand and distribute it via press releases. This can generate media coverage and backlinks from reputable sources. 5. Create linkable assets. Create content that naturally attracts links, such as infographics, tools, or comprehensive guides. These assets are valuable resources that other websites will want to link to. 6. Guest blogging. Write guest posts for other reputable blogs in your niche. This not only builds your authority, but also provides an opportunity to link back to your own site. Link building strategies chart. Link building strategy description benefits. Add value to articles, enhance existing content with your link. Earns backlinks by adding value. Broken link building replaces broken links with your own resources. Fixes issues and earns backlinks. Media requests respond to journalist queries for features. High-quality backlinks from media outlets. Digital PR generate media coverage through press releases. Increases brand visibility and backlinks. Linkable assets create valuable resources like infographics or tools. Attracts natural backlinks from other sites. Guest blogging right for other blogs to build authority and links. Enhances reputation and earns backlinks. Example: creating a linkable asset. Let's say you're in the fitness industry. You can create a comprehensive guide to home workout routines that includes detailed exercises, nutritional advice, and workout schedules. This guide becomes a valuable resource that other fitness blogs might link to, especially if it's well-researched and visually appealing. Tools and resources for link building. SEMrush offers a link building tool that helps identify prospects and manage outreach efforts. Ahrefs provides a backlink gap tool to analyze competitors' backlinks and find opportunities. Connectively, formerly Haro, a platform for responding to media requests. Prowly helps build media contact lists for digital PR campaigns. Measuring success in link building. To measure the success of your link building efforts, track metrics such as number of new backlinks, monitor how many new links you're earning over time. Referral traffic, track the traffic coming from other websites. Keyword rankings. See if your rankings improve as you acquire more quality backlinks. Conclusion. Link building is a powerful strategy for improving your website's authority and visibility. By focusing on quality over quantity and using these effective strategies, you can earn valuable backlinks that drive more traffic and enhance your search engine rankings. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has provided you with a comprehensive guide to link building strategies. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content on digital marketing and SEO. We regularly post new videos to help you improve your online skills and stay updated with the latest trends in the digital world. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell to stay informed about our latest videos.